So why some people hate Islam? I will tell you why. There's two types of people who hate Islam. Either they are ignorant or those who are in power. Those, because why? Gambling, yes, you can get benefit from it. Alcohol, interest and so on. So let me give you this example, Charlie. Imagine I live in London, yeah? And I have companies of interest, banks. I have companies of gambling. I have companies of alcohol, companies of prostitution. And you come into London as a Muslim, telling people about Islam. How I'm going to look at you?
How are you going to look at me?
Yeah, how I'm going to look at you?
Telling people about Islam.
Yeah, you telling people about Islam as an enemy.
Oh, yeah.
Because why? You're taking customers away from me.
Yeah.
But that's even though what you're teaching people is good for them, individually and collectively, you know? But because I'm an evil man, I'm making money from the suffering of the people, I'm going to look at you as evil. And this is exactly what's happening right now. Those who are in power, they are utilizing their wealth through the media to make Islam look bad, even though you just agreed with me, what Islam legislated is good for people.